What's up, YouTube? software.This back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. All right, today what we doing? I'm showing you a quick video on how to delete your drum programs. Like if you have your drum programs and you can't delete them, you don't know how to delete them, this video right here will help you to get rid of whatever drum programs you don't want to use. So if you have 2 or 3 drum programs in there and they cluttering up your space and you don't want to use them, I'm gonna show you how to delete them. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Let's go, man. Before we start the video, if you're over here doesn't look like mine's, what you need to do is go to the hamburger menu, go to view, workspace, advance, and that's what it should look like. All right, so let's go. Let's start the tutorial now. Let's go. All right, so we are inside the MPC now, right? So here we go. Let's just bring 2 drum programs in. So we'll drag this one in. It automatically put it on the drums. So now, all right, so that's the first one right here. That's that right there. Let's just bring the second one. Let's bring house instead of trap. Let's bring a house one in so you can know the difference. Where is it? I just seen it. Or hip hop. Let's do hip hop. So that way you know the difference. This one is trap, and the one up here is hip hop. So we did the trap one. Let's do the hip hop. All right, so that's the hip hop and that's the trap. So let's say you come here, you'll think you'll come to the trash can and do purge unused sample and then do it. But when you do that, nothing moves, right? The reason why nothing moves is because these are on a pad, so they're being used. Once it's on a pad, assigned to a pad, it's in use. That's why you can't purge unused what is called purged unused samples, right? If you go here and say delete all samples, it will delete all the samples, but the kits are still showing up here, but they're not here, right? So let's undo that. And another thing, say you have a sample, just a sample. Let's bring this 80s bass in. It should be at the top right here. Now say we don't want this 80s bass to, if we want to purge all, right? If you want to purge unused samples, remember I showed you when you purge it, nothing moves because it's on the track. But if you delete it, then it will be gone. All right, but let me stop right there. Say we got this 80s bass, right? And we go to let's go to our audio track. Let's close this. Let's go to our audio track. Drag this on the audio track just to show you, right? Just to keep it there. Now, if you do a purge, let's go back. Let's go back to MIDI. If you do a purge all, do it. Nothing moves. Now this 80s bass is being used. If this 80s bass, delete it. If that 80s bass is not being used and we go to purge, do it, then that 80s bass is gone. See, it's gone because it's not being used. These are still there. It's being used, right? What you need to do is, let's bring the 80s back in. The 80s is back in, and let's put it on an audio track just to show you. Hold on, that ain't it. It's all the way up here. The 80s right here, right? So that's totally different from the sample packs, right? The sample program. So let's go to MIDI. Now, purge unused, do it again. Nothing happened because everything is being used. These are on the pads and this 808 is on the audio. What you need to do is come over here, right click, delete this one, We deleting the hip hop. Delete. Once you delete the hip hop, right? What you want to do is still there, but you'll come here and purge unused sample because we deleted it off the pads. Now once we do it, all the hip hops is gone because we did right click and delete it from over here. It's not on the pad no more. Once you delete it from here, it take it off the pad. Okay. Now, if we go here again, go to the trap, right click, delete the trap, delete, and we don't want them here no more. Purge all. Do it. Only thing left is the 80s bass because it's right here on the track. If we move it from the track and go back to MIDI and then do purge, it's gone. So that's the issue with what you're having is when you hit this delete and you do purge all, nothing moves, is because it's already being assigned to a pad or to a track or to an audio track, right? So to get rid of it, like I said, you have to go right click, delete, and then you do the purge. That's it. All right. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Let's get it. Turn it up. Let's go.